Despite a century from opener Chadwick Walton, the Jamaica Scorpions' hopes of challenging for the regional Super 50 title took another dent following their 4-wicket defeat at the hands of the Ghana Jaguars at the Coolidge Ground in Antigua last night.
The Scorpions headed into the contest knowing a win would secure a spot in the semi-finals. And just like the previous encounter between both teams, the Jamaican-based franchise elected to bat and were off to a solid start with Walton and Guyanese Trevon Griffith adding 54 for the first wicket before Griffith's knock ended with a soft dismissal. This allowed standing captain Walton to dominate a second wicket stand of 74 with Stephen Taylor, who scratched around for 32 from 66 deliveries as the previously consistent Walton McCarthy lasted just one delivery. 32-year-old Walton continued his onslaught of the Guyanese spinners and brought up his fourth List A century at almost a run a ball and his second of the tournament. His innings ended at 104 with 9 fours and 3 sixes, and his dismissal brought a procession of wickets as the Scorpions stumbled from a comfortable position of 189 for 3 to 206 for 8 and in danger of being dismissed inside 50 overs. However, an unbroken 55-run 9th wicket stand between debutant Alwyn Williams, 27, and Odean Smith, 32, propelled the Scorpions to a challenging 264 for 8. The Jaguars, in their pursuit of 265, got off to a frenetic start, with Shandapal Hemraj and Tajnarine Shandapal putting on 68 for the first wicket before Tajnarine was dismissed for 27. Leon Johnson fell shortly after, but Hemraj, 80, and Christopher Barnwell with 56 bullied the Jamaican attack with rain around and kept the Jaguars well ahead of the Duckworth-Lewis par score. The intermittent showers forced a reduction to the Jaguars' total, seeing them requiring 212 from 40 overs as they resumed needing 28 from 40 deliveries. Even with a couple of quick wickets, the Scorpions were always behind as the Jaguars coasted home to a 4-wicket win with 8 deliveries to spare, which guaranteed them a spot in the semi-finals and put the Scorpions on the brink of elimination. The Scorpions, last season's beaten finalists, must beat the USA in their final group game on Sunday and hope the out-of-contention Leeward Islands Hurricanes get the better of the Kent County Cricket Club for them to advance to the semi-final. Jordan Ford, TVJ Sports.